Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a patent in USA, updated. Start by documenting your invention and performing a basic patent search using USPTO databases, then decide between provisional and non-provisional filings. Prepare clear drawings and a written specification, and consider hiring a patent attorney or agent for complex claims. File electronically with the USPTO, pay fees, and respond promptly to office actions to improve chances of allowance. Provisional applications are a lower-cost way to secure a filing date and buy 12 months while you refine the invention. They do not mature into patents without a later non-provisional filing. A non-provisional application starts examination, requires claims and formal drawings, and can lead to an issued patent if prosecuted successfully. Budget for filing fees, attorney help, and possible continuations during prosecution. Plan ahead for prior art searches and commercialization strategy to support prosecution and enforcement. Drafting clear claims is the most important part of your patent application because claims define the legal scope of protection. Use multiple claim types, independent and dependent claims, and consider method, apparatus, and system claims as appropriate. Provide professional drawings that meet USPTO standards, showing key dimensions and relationships. Be prepared to amend claims during prosecution to overcome prior art and to clarify claim language for examiners. Consider a written.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.